Hi guys, this is your Berry. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore one more food adventure, which is one of the hidden gem in the town of Kollegala, which is 120 kilometers away from Bangalore. This town is known for something truly special, a 150 years old recipe for the famous Badam Halwa. On my way back from Brachuki Falls, I had the pleasure of stopping by this gem of a place, and let me tell you, the experience was unforgettable. As soon as you enter, the aroma of Natti Ghee fills the air, and the sight of freshly prepared Badam Halwa is enough to make anyone's mouth water. This is just not the dessert, it's the piece of history crafted with almonds, sugar, ghee, and the hint of cardamom. The texture is smooth, the taste is divine, and the ghee richness makes you want to indulge more and more. And the timings for the shop is open daily from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and the halwa is freshly made every day. Trust me, you don't want to miss this place if you are in Kollegal. I started with just a sample of 50 grams, and before I knew it, I was walking out with nearly a kilo of this amazing sweet. It's that good. So, if you are near the Sri Mallige Maramma temple in Devanapette in Kollegal, do yourself a favor and try this badam halwa. You won't regret it. And here they don't accept phone pay, so do carry cash if you want to buy this amazing sweet. And this recipe was been invented by his grandfather, and currently it's been run by B.N. Raju, the person who is serving it. I truly enjoyed every bite of this delicacy, and I strongly recommend that everyone gives it a try. And the location of this shop, I would mention it in the description, so you can just follow it up. And if you're traveling in two wheelers, then it is fine to directly reach this place. Or if you're traveling in four wheelers, I would strongly recommend you to park your vehicles at the main road and start walking to this place because the roads are too narrow and congested. And the cost of this badam halwa is they charge 800 rupees per kg. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Catch up in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.